Hello and thanks for making your purchase of your new Rampant Design Tools product. This quick tip is designed to get you up and running as quickly as possible. Let me show you why Rampant Design Tools QuickTime-based elements are going to not only make your composites look fantastic, but they're going to speed up your effects workflow. Transfer modes, or blend modes as they're referred to in some applications, are what we're going to use to get you going in the right direction. Let's see how this works inside of Final Cut Pro 7. What I'm going to do is simply Command and Tab into Final Cut Pro. And of course we need some footage and our elements to work with. What I'm going to do is simply right click, say Import. We're going to select all the clips inside of our demo folder. I'm going to say Choose. And the first thing I need is my background element. I'm simply going to take it, drag it, and drop it down into my timeline. We are going to match the clip and the timeline so they both have the same parameters here. There we go. And this is just our surfer girl surfing out to catch some waves. And what I want to do first is I want to add that film effect to it. What we're going to do is we're going to take the rampant film element. I'm simply going to take it, drag it, and drop it right down here onto my shot. And of course in the intro we talked about using transfer modes or blend modes. Well, inside of Final Cut Pro it's actually very easy to do. What I'm going to do is simply select the clip. We're going to navigate up to Modify. I'm going to come all the way down to Composite mode, and I'm going to change it from Normal to simply be Multiply. And there we go. Now I'm using a much older iMac, so I'm not going to render this out, but you see that it gave us essentially the exact effect that we wanted. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this element. Now remember, this is what we wanted to do if we wanted to remove the white from a shot. I'm going to delete that, and we're going to take our rampant dust effect, our cinematic dust element here. We're going to take it, drag it, and drop it down into our timeline. Again, we'll just back it up here just so that they match in duration. And now what we're going to do is, instead of doing a multiply blend mode to remove the black here, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate up to Modify. We're going to come down to Composite mode here, and we're simply going to select Add, and there you go. So you can see two different transfer blend modes, but in the end, a perfect composite. So if you have any questions, you have any comments, or you have any tutorial requests, head on over and post them in the Rampant Design Tools forums.